In this session, we'll dive deep into the real-world applications of Proxmox Virtual Environment, Proxmox VE, and how it helps businesses and IT professionals optimize their infrastructure. Use case: server consolidation with Proxmox. What is server consolidation? Server consolidation is the process of reducing the number of physical servers by running multiple virtual machines, VMs or containers, on a single physical server. This is achieved using Proxmox Virtual Environment, Proxmox VE, which allows businesses to optimize their IT infrastructure. How Proxmox helps with server consolidation. 1. Maximizing resource utilization. Traditional IT setups often have underutilized physical servers, meaning that CPU, RAM, and storage are not being fully used. With Proxmox, multiple VMs and containers can run efficiently on a single powerful machine, ensuring that resources are used effectively. Example: instead of maintaining 10 physical servers, an organization can consolidate them into 2 or 3 servers running multiple VMs using Proxmox VE. 2. Significant cost savings. Less hardware equals lower costs for purchasing, power and cooling, reduces server maintenance costs and rack space in data centers. Fewer physical machines means a lower carbon footprint, making IT operations more environmentally friendly. Example: a company that spends thousands on server maintenance, electricity and cooling can reduce these costs by using Proxmox VE to consolidate workloads. 3. Simplified management and maintenance. Proxmox provides a centralized web-based management interface, making it easy to manage multiple VMs and containers from one place. Reduces hardware failures and downtime by simplifying system maintenance. Example: instead of managing 10 different physical machines, IT admins can manage all virtualized workloads from the Proxmox dashboard. Why businesses choose Proxmox for server consolidation. Open source and cost-effective compared to proprietary solutions. Scalable. Easily add more VMs or containers as needed. Supports clustering. Can combine multiple Proxmox nodes for better resource distribution. High availability. Ensures that services keep running even if one node fails. Use case: testing and development with Proxmox VE. Why is virtualization important for testing and development? In software development, testing new applications, updates, or configurations in a safe and isolated environment is crucial. Proxmox VE provides an efficient way for developers to quickly deploy, test, and manage virtual machines or containers without interfering with production systems. How Proxmox VE supports testing and development. 1. Quick deployment of test environments. Developers can create and configure multiple VMs or LXC containers in minutes. Use pre-built VM templates to speed up testing. Supports different operating systems, allowing developers to test cross-platform compatibility. Example: a development team working on a new web application can deploy a Linux VM for the back-end and a Windows VM for front-end testing, all within Proxmox VE. 2. Isolated and safe testing. Each VM or container runs independently, ensuring that changes do not affect other systems. Developers can roll back to previous states using snapshots. Networking isolation allows for simulating real-world scenarios without exposing systems to risks. Example: a security team testing a new firewall rule can simulate attacks on a Proxmox VM without risking the actual network. 3. CI/CD pipeline integration. Proxmox integrates with DevOps tools like Jenkins, GitLab CI/CD, and Ansible, allowing automated deployments. Supports container-based development with Docker and Kubernetes inside LXC containers or VMs. Example: a DevOps engineer can set up an automated pipeline where each new code commit spins up a test VM, runs tests, and destroys it after completion, saving resources. 4. Easy environment cloning and replication. Developers can clone an existing VM instead of installing everything from scratch. VM snapshots allow quick recovery if something goes wrong. Supports template-based deployment, making it faster to set up testing environments. Example: a QA team can quickly replicate a production environment for testing bug fixes without disrupting live services. Why choose Proxmox VE for testing and development? Open source and cost-effective. No licensing fees for virtualization. Fast deployment. Spin up multiple environments in minutes. Supports multiple OS. Test applications on Linux, Windows, and BSD. Snapshot and rollback. Easily revert to previous states. Scalable. Supports small teams and enterprise-level testing environments.